Hello, my name is Kasper and I work as an Android developer for Storytel. Today I would like to talk about Charles Proxy. It's a very great developer tool that you can use to look at the traffic between the client. In my case, it's the Android app and then the API. So to get this working on an Android emulator, you need to install a certificate, and you can do that by opening Charles Proxy, and then first of all you can see here actually the traffic from our API. So there you can see the response and everything, and how the requests look like and everything, and you can even set breakpoints, and you can alter. You can actually modify the responses to get the result that you want to test. So I think that's a very great tool. But anyways, you can go to Charles and then say, go here and then say, let me see here, save Charles root certificate. So if you save that to your desktop and then go into Android Studio, and then you can choose to install or upload that certificate to the device. Let's see if I can find the correct folder here. I always just use the download folder here. So this is a download folder on the emulator, and then you can just say upload. And then you can choose the certificate here, and then press open. And now the certificate is available on the emulator. Then you need to install it, and you can go into settings. And then you can write then you can select install certificates, install the certificate, and then you should be able to find the Charles Proxy here, and you can give it a name. Let's call it Charles, and then you can press 2. Okay, and then it's actually installed on the emulator. And then you should go to the settings of the emulator, and you can choose, let me see here, you can go to the settings here and then the proxy settings, and here you should enter the IP of your computer, and then you're actually ready for looking at the traffic by using Charles Proxy. And here we could try to set a breakpoint. You can enable breakpoints here. Let me see, here it is. That's the one, yeah. And then if I start a network request, let me find the Storytel app. Here you can actually see we call this validation API request, and now I can go and say edit request if I want to, but I'm just pressing execute, and let me try to see if I can invoke something else. So now it's running again, and you have to be a bit quick, because otherwise the request will just time out. But here you can actually go and see, okay, let me edit this response and insert 500 instead. Execute, and then if you then also debugged the app, you could then see how the app behaves when it receives a 500 response. Yeah, But this was just a short introduction to Charles Proxy. Okay, bye bye.